What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a little look at Tesla. So Tesla is down 5.5% in just about 10 points on the day. So current price is 169.29, give or take. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. We're going to be taking a look at some technical analysis off the short-term intraday 1-hour chart. So what I want you guys to kind of see right now, as bad as Tesla is down today, is there an area of opportunity to maybe bounce this on a dead cat bounce? We've obviously got numbers coming out tomorrow. I think the market pretty much has just, been waiting to see what the CPI numbers are going to be. Extremely choppy waters. Now, here's going to be my recommendation to all newer traders or intermediate traders is that if you can just stay cash and afford to stay afloat during these times, when we do get into a trending market, whether it be to the north side or back down to the south side, you are going to be able to catch these moves. And I guarantee you, as much as you have that, anxiety of not being able to sit and trade or catch a clear setup, when those opportunities do come, you are going to be able to reap those rewards. Now, just kind of looking at where we stand now, we're coming back down to this floor that we kind of put in last week off those lows. You can see multiple 1-hour candles wicking below this linear regression line. Now, I've got a lot of stuff going on my charts, but I also want you guys to kind of notice these light blue lines here, these channel lines here, as well as here. This is what's called a linear regression channel 50. I use these as a gauge, as supply and demand zones. Normally, when we get to the bottom, we tend to bounce. Normally, when we get to the middle or the next supply zone, we tend to chop around until we can confirm, and then we kind of go up towards the next channel line. Now, again, this is not set in stone. Obviously, supply and demand zones are meant to kind of get violated, but we do have to react to the price action. So we're coming back down into this zone here. Low price from last week here, we're looking at a low wick of around 169. Okay, and then we've got a lot of choppiness between 169 and 171. So this area here is going to be an extremely choppy zone for Tesla. There's one of two ways to play this. If you're looking to try to take the early entry and potentially bounce Tesla, you can start that position now. Okay, so your stop loss is going to be below last week's lows on Thursday, and that price is going to be 169.08. Let's just call it 169. Anything below 169 on Tesla, you need to cut that long position and do one of two things: stay out of the market until you get a better setup or a new setup, or flip to short. Because getting into my next point here, if you want to wait for the short position and you think that maybe the overall market is going to continue to flush off these CPI numbers, then your setup is going to be below 169. Below 169, we've got a lot of room. Let me just go ahead and pull up the 4-hour chart and kind of see what we're looking at. Now, if we kind of look at the 4-hour candlesticks here, we have started to confirm the previous 4-hour candle here, sitting on this Bollinger Band here. Now, again, here's this candle from last week at 169. You can see that if Tesla starts to violate this 169, we've got a lot of room down, potentially to 162. This is your macro short position. So 169 to the short side, your price target is going to be 162. If you're looking to potentially play the bounce and say that Tesla is going to hold this, you have to respect 169. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. If you bounce Tesla now, you have to respect 169. 169 is your absolute max pain. You could potentially try to catch the bottom here, or you can sit and wait for the confirmation of 169. Again, if we do start to break 169, we're going to put in a new low. Then we're going to bounce. This area of 169, 170 is going to act as an area of supply and resistance. We're going to chop around, and either we're going to reclaim it, then that's going to be your exit, or we're going to just go ahead and continue to reject that and start working our way back down towards 162. Easy trade setup. Bounce here, use 169 as your max pain, or sit patiently and wait for 169 to confirm, and then go ahead and take that short position. I will see you guys all on the next video. Again, if you want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description box below. My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com, helping all of you intraday day traders with technical analysis, and I will see you guys all in the next video.